You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, my people. I greet you. I greet you all. Facebook, please permit us, grant us the permission to use the music and the social media information for today's broadcast. Thank you, Facebook, for all the music that we'll be playing today and for every other information that we may be pulling out from the social media. Please, Facebook, we ask for your permission, grant us permission to do that. Thank you, Facebook. My people, it's time to start. We're going to begin with a little clip of our father, our legend, our non-musician, Pericoma. He say, Akam Diocha, my hands are clean. Let's take it a little bit. And please, I've been having problem with my computer. I don't know what is blocking it. I've been working on it all day. And then it keep coming back. So let's go with Pericoma. So, this thing, please stop disturbing. I thought I have fixed it. I thought I have fixed it. And think it may not be easy for me to do this today. Sorry about that, my people. I thought I had fixed it, but it keep coming up. Oh, well, I still have to cancel today's broadcast. I thought I had fixed it, and it keep coming back. It's blocking me, and I cannot do broadcast with this blocking me. I think I still have to work on it, and we continue from there. Thank you for joining today, and I apologize for the technological glitch for today. So maybe we continue next time. I have to fix it before I come back again. Thank you, my people.